Hi, I'm Gray with Baratza, and today I'm going to show you how to dial in espresso on the Forte AP. With the right workflow and a little adjustment, you can make great espresso at home. Today's recipe is simple: 18 grams of coffee, aiming for 36 grams of espresso in about 25 to 30 seconds, a classic 1:2 brew ratio. The Forte AP has two grind adjustments: the macro adjustment on the right for larger grind changes, and the micro adjustment on the left for fine tuning. The macro settings run from 1, the finest, down to 10, the coarsest, and the micro runs from A, the finest, to Z, the coarsest. For espresso, we'll be working towards the finer end of the range at setting 2U. For lighter roasts, you may want to begin at 1U. If you're moving several clicks finer, make the adjustment while the grinder is running or completely empty to prevent unnecessary wear on the burrs. Since I'm using a 58mm portafilter, I will weigh out 18 grams of coffee and drop them into my hopper. Wipe out the basket before grinding to remove any moisture. The 58mm portafilter slots right into the Forte AP's portafilter holder. If it is not a snug fit, loosen these screws with a flathead or Phillips screwdriver and adjust the fork up or down as needed. Then tighten. For the first grind, I'm going to press the timer button, then the manual button, then the start button. That way the timer will count up as I grind, and I can use that as a reference to set the timer for future grinds. Once you've found the right grind setting and dose, simply enter that grind time and hold a preset for consistent results every time. Gently tap the portafilter to level the grounds. The goal is to have an even coffee bed before tamping. Hold the tamper like a doorknob, keep your wrist straight, and press firmly until the coffee pushes back. Lock the portafilter into your espresso machine, place your scale, then your cup, and start your shot. The first drops should appear after 8 to 12 seconds, and the shot should flow in a smooth, even stream with a rich crema on top. Let's taste it. A nice sweetness, balanced acidity, full body. That's what we're looking for. If your shot isn't quite there yet, don't worry. Dialing in usually takes a few adjustments. If your shot finishes too quickly or tastes weak or sour, make the grind 1 or 2 settings finer. Fresh coffee and a consistent tamp will also help improve extraction. If your shot takes too long or barely drips, adjust 1 or 2 settings coarser. After changing grind settings, grind a small amount first to clear coffee from the previous setting before pulling another shot. In general, we recommend making adjustments to your macro setting first, with the micro near the center of the range. That way, when you're only a second or two off from your perfect shot time, you can precisely adjust with the micro adjustment. Once you've dialed in your coffee, future shots become much easier. Keep in mind that as your beans age over several days, you may need to adjust the grinder 1 click finer to maintain the same extraction time. Espresso is all about finding the right balance of grind size, dose, and brew time. If you ever need help, visit baratza.com/support. Thanks for watching, and happy grinding. Baratza, we grind, you brew.